Hi there and welcome back to another how-to video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to operate our live catalogue. So here on my screen I've got the front page of the website. What we're going to do is we're just going to go into our name on the top right hand corner, click on that and then click My G3. And here if you scroll down, these will be where all of your vehicles, proxy bids, provisionals, etc. will be. We just click the live catalogue button here. And this will take us to what will be a live catalogue that you can personalise to anything that you would like. So here we've got the vehicle data fields just here, and here we can click, select any of the fields or deselect them. So if you want to view every single thing about every single car, select every single field. If not, if you want specific information, for example, if I wanted to see the number of services, I can select that. If I wanted to see the number of keys, I can select that. And all of these will show on all of the vehicles that you would like to select. So what we're going to do, so we've selected what we want, and we're going to go down and click the filters button here. Now on this button will come up as all of these filters. So here is where you can really make it personal to the cars that you or vehicles that you would like to select. So say for example, I'm looking for vehicles that have a grade 2 or a grade 3. Perhaps they are all manual, and you can basically select anything you want. So say you only want vehicles that are under 40,000 miles, you can select that. You can select the engine size, the age, fuel type even. So here let's go diesel and petrol. And you can select the sale date. So say if you wanted to look at the sale next week or tomorrow, you can select that, and that's what vehicles will come up. So I'm pretty happy with all of these. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Apply Filters. And there comes your own personalised catalogue. And in the top left hand corner here is a particularly useful button. Export catalogue as a CSV means export it as an Excel file. So what will happen is you'll be able to export it, it will come up in your download menu, and you should be able to click on it and you will get your own Excel personalised live catalogue that you'll be able to manipulate however you would like. Another useful feature of this page is that you're able to save your search. So if I know that I definitely want all of these features, so if I always want grades 2 or 3, I always want petrol and diesel, etc, etc, I can press the Save Search button. Now this allows me to save all of these searches, so I can just input it in one click the next time I would like to do it. So this one I'm going to say Save Search 1. And I will press the Save button. And then you've saved your search. And how you can access that search is again going back onto your My G3 account, scrolling down and pressing the Saved Searches button here. And there you'll be able to see all of your saved searches. And you simply go press search again, and you'll be able to see all of those vehicles come up right here. And here we're back to the live catalogue page with a feature that can help a lot of our dealers personalise their catalogues even more. So here we've obviously got all the data fields, you can fill these in, say I would like to see number of services, don't want to see registration date, so you can select or deselect any of these fields. Go into filters and we've got this button here and it says My Tracked Vehicles. Now if you select that so it turns green, this will create a catalogue of all of the vehicles that you have got tracked in your G3. So here I will apply the filters, and these are all the vehicles that I have personally tracked, and if you press this on your account, they will come up with all of the vehicles that you have tracked. And what you're able to do is have a look at the catalogue here, but you're also able to export it as a CSV, which is an Excel file. So if you press that, it will export as an Excel file, and you'll be able to change and manipulate this however you like. And that is how you use the live catalogue on our new website.